In the land where mountains touch the sky, Peru awakens. A place where history breathes through stone and horizons stretch beyond time. It's a realm of ancient spirits, where golden light paints the jagged peaks of the Andes and clouds drift through valleys like memories of forgotten empires. This is a journey into the heart of a nation that echoes with the footsteps of gods and kings, a land where every sunrise reveals a story etched into the very earth itself. High above the sacred valley, shrouded in mist, stands the legendary Machu Picchu, a masterpiece of stone and spirit. The lost city of the Incas. As the sun rises, it illuminates walls built with impossible precision, revealing a sanctuary carved into the mountain's embrace. Here, the Inca Empire reached its zenith, creating a city that feels suspended between heaven and earth. To walk these terraces is to feel the pulse of an ancient civilization, to hear whispers of a past that has never truly vanished. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a profound connection to the natural world. From the heights of the mountains, we descend into Cusco, once the navel of the Inca world. This city is a living museum, where Inca foundations, built from massive, perfectly fitted stones, support elegant Spanish colonial arches. Every street carries the weight of legends. Every corner turns a new page in a history rich with conquest, culture, and resilience. Red rooftops blanket the city, nestled in a valley that was once the epicenter of an empire stretching across a continent. The air itself feels charged with the energy of centuries, a place where the past isn't just remembered. It's alive. Following the Urubamba River, we enter the Sacred Valley, a landscape where life moves with the gentle rhythm of the earth. Here, terraces climb the mountainsides like giant steps to the sky, a testament to the Incas' agricultural genius. The river winds through villages where Quechua traditions have been preserved for generations, where vibrant textiles are woven with ancient patterns, and the community shares a deep, unbreakable bond with the land. It's a place of profound peace, where the spirit of the Andes feels ever present. Further into the highlands, a miracle of color awaits. Rainbow Mountain, or Vinicanca, is a natural tapestry painted by time and geology. Its slopes are striped with vibrant bands of turquoise, gold, lavender, and red, as if the earth itself has decided to reveal its hidden palette. The silence here is breathtaking, broken only by the wind whistling across the peaks. Reaching this remote wonder feels like discovering a secret masterpiece, a geological marvel that reminds us of the planet's incredible artistry. On the vast Altiplano, the high plateau of the Andes, lies Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake on Earth. Its deep blue waters stretch to the horizon, a sacred place of myth and origin for the Inca. Here, the Uros people live on floating islands, meticulously crafted from the totora reeds that grow in the shallows. They build their homes, their boats, and their very existence from the water itself, a tradition that has endured for centuries. It's a surreal and beautiful world, a community living in harmony with the lake they call home. Venturing east, we plunge into the Amazon, the great lung of our planet. This is a world of endless green, a dense, humid jungle where mighty rivers carve through ancient forests. Life thrives in every shadow and sound, from the chatter of monkeys in the canopy to the silent glide of a jaguar through the undergrowth. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blossoms. Exploring this vibrant ecosystem is an immersive experience, a powerful reminder of nature's raw, untamed beauty. In the arid coastal plains of southern Peru, we find one of history's greatest enigmas, the Nazca Lines. Etched into the desert floor are enormous geoglyphs, colossal shapes of birds, spiders, monkeys, and geometric symbols, visible only from the sky. Created by the Nazca culture over 1,000 years ago, their purpose remains a mystery. Were they offerings to the gods, astronomical calendars, or messages to celestial beings? Their scale and precision are staggering, leaving an unforgettable impression of ancient ambition and belief. Nearby, the earth opens to reveal Colca Canyon, one of the deepest canyons in the world, twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. Its immense walls plunge into darkness, while far below, the Colca River carves its path. This is the realm of the Andean condor, the majestic bird of the Andes. As morning winds rise from the canyon's depths, these magnificent creatures soar on thermal updrafts, gliding effortlessly between worlds of stone and sky, their vast wingspans a symbol of freedom and power. Along the Pacific, the Paracas Peninsula offers a landscape of stark and stunning beauty. Here, the desert meets the ocean in a dramatic clash of elements. Red sand beaches slope into turquoise waters, and wind-sculpted cliffs stand against the relentless waves. It's a sanctuary for sea lions, penguins, and countless seabirds. The Paracas Desert falls into the ocean with a quiet, otherworldly grace, a testament to the raw power of wind and sea. Hidden within this vast desert lies Huacachina, a storybook oasis of palm trees and shimmering green water. Surrounded by towering sand dunes that glow like molten gold at sunset, it feels like a mirage brought to life. The thrill of riding the dunes and the serene beauty of the lagoon create an unforgettable contrast, a pocket of life and magic in the heart of an arid wilderness. Finally, we arrive in Lima, the city of kings. Perched on coastal cliffs overlooking the Pacific, Lima is a vibrant metropolis where ancient heritage and modern energy collide. Colonial plazas with ornate balconies stand alongside sleek contemporary buildings. It's a culinary capital where flavors from the Andes, the Amazon, and the ocean meet to create one of the world's most exciting food scenes. Here, culture, cuisine, and history mingle with the refreshing ocean breeze. As night falls over the Andes, the stars gather like ancient guardians in the clear mountain sky. Peru becomes a seamless tapestry of past and present, a land where breathtaking beauty and profound history walk hand in hand. This is Peru, ancient, majestic, a horizon that lives forever. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lumiora Worldwide, for more cinematic travels across our beautiful planet.